The HSBC Live Plus credit card is a cashback focused card designed for daily spenders. It offers a 10% cashback on grocery, dining, and food delivery, capped at 1000 per month, ideal for everyday expenses. Beyond that, users get 1.5% unlimited cashback on all other online and offline transactions, excluding categories like fuel, EMI, wallet loads, education, and government payments. As a welcome benefit, cardholders receive 1000 cashback on spending 20,000 each the first 30 days, plus a 100 Amazon voucher for self-applicants completing video KYC. It also includes 4 complimentary domestic airport lounge accesses per year without any minimum spend requirement. Dining benefits offer up to 15% off at partner restaurants. However, the card has downsides. 3.5% forex markup on international transactions, 2.5% of 500 cash withdrawal fee, and no fuel surcharge waiver. Interest on unpaid dues is steep at 3.75% per month. The card comes with a 999 plus GST annual fee, waived on spending 2 lakh annually. Eligibility is restricted to salaried individuals with 4 lakh plus income, and it's only available in select major Indian cities. Final verdict. For salaried users in metro cities with high grocery or food spends, this card offers exceptional cashback value and lounge access. Just avoid using it for fuel or international payments. But do your own research in a good way. Thank you.